Hello, welcome back to Pilot Zone, a channel that brings you engaging and easy to understand educational videos. Today's lesson is about Earth's rotation and revolution. Let's get started. Why do we experience day and night? What causes summer, winter, spring, and fall? The answer lies in two important motions of our planet, rotation and revolution. Let's explore how Earth moves, and how those movements shape our everyday lives. Segment 1. Earth's rotation. Rotation is the spinning of Earth on its axis, an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. It takes approximately 24 hours for Earth to complete one full rotation. This period is what we call a day. As Earth rotates, different parts of the planet face the sun. The side facing the sun experiences daytime. The side facing away experiences nighttime. Without rotation, one side of Earth would always be hot and bright, while the other side would remain cold and dark. Rotation also affects time zones, helping different regions of the world organize their daily schedules. Segment 2. Earth's revolution. Revolution is the motion of Earth as it travels around the sun. Earth follows a slightly oval-shaped path called an orbit. It takes about 365.25 days for Earth to complete one revolution. That extra quarter of a day adds up, which is why we have a leap year every 4 years. During a leap year, February has 29 days instead of 28. Revolution, combined with Earth's tilt, plays a major role in creating the seasons we experience throughout the year. Segment 3. Earth's tilt and seasons. Earth isn't standing straight up, it is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt remains constant as Earth revolves around the sun. Here's how seasons work. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it receives more direct sunlight and longer days. This is summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere gets less sunlight, resulting in winter. Segment 4. Quick comparison and real-life impact. Rotation equals Earth spinning on its axis. Right-pointing arrow causes day and night. Revolution equals Earth orbiting the sun. Right-pointing arrow causes a year and seasons. These movements affect everything from your daily schedule, to weather patterns, to the changing seasons you experience each year. Earth is always moving, even if we don't feel it. Understanding rotation and revolution helps us better understand our place in space. Thanks for watching.